If you're like me, there's not a level surface in your shop. This is an easy way to modify your workbench to get one. First, mark it just in case it moves, you can set it back. Then I jointed some scrap lumber to get one edge nice and straight. Simply attach some scrap lumber vertically. Next, you apply these horizontal slats, and it's a little awkward at first, but with some fidgeting, it will quickly snap into level. Nice. Then simply screw in the rails. Check for level as you go. Didn't take long. Perfectly level rails. The next step is to just rip down some lumber and apply them across those rails. Instant level work surface. And a large one too. Hope this is helpful. Thanks, Internet.